if you're someone like me who is kind of naturally lazy or doesn't want to do too much at once, this system might help you break down projects and not be so intimidated. So what I do is I have this system, they're called flat drafts, where say I have a project that's 20,000 words. I won't try and just write 20,000 words. I'll break each part down into the smallest component, and then I'll build myself up to 20,000 words. Because trying to write 20,000 words just off the top of your head is very difficult. I know there are some people who can do it, but I'm not one of those people. So what I use is I'll work my way up to it like in kind of stepping stones. So say I got to write 20,000 words. I do a flat draft, which is just a very blank version of something. Before I continue, I just want to say that this is mainly for creative writing, but it can be used for blogs or articles or other things. But mainly I use it for creative writing practices. So I've got 20,000 words that I got to do. I'll start off the smallest way I can express it, which would be in 125 word flat draft. And after that, I go to 250 words. And after that, 500 words. After that, 1,000 words, 2,500 words, 5,000 words, 10,000 words. And by the time I get to the 10K flat draft, I'm ready to do a first proper draft of the 20. I'm getting tongue-tied. What I'm saying is by the time I get up to the 10,000 word flat draft, I'm ready to jump in to a 20,000 word first draft. And the point of these flat drafts is that as I'm building up, I can see where there might be problems or errors or inconsistencies, and usually I can iron them out by the time I get to the 20,000, by the time I get to the first draft. I don't always see all the problems, but using this system has helped me to iron out creases. Another advantage of having like smaller and smaller versions of your first draft is that you can use it like a roadmap. Like if you get lost in your actual first draft, you can use it as like a reference point and see what you want to change, and then that will help other drafts. Another aspect of it is that as I go up, I break it down into chunks of 5 as well, because then I can trick my brain into not doing as much writing. So the 5,000 words will be broken down into 5 sections, 4 of 1,100 words, and then a final section that'll just make up the last of it. As I was editing this, I realized I left out something important, which is one other advantage of this system is that it cuts down on the thinking time, so you don't need to worry about what happens next. You kind of almost know what you're already doing. Basically, it cuts down on the thinking time and enables you to just get on with the writing. Alright, I'll probably do another video at another point where I'll talk about how I actually structure out something, a piece of work, whether it's a blog post or maybe like a stand-up set or even like a script, a book, a play. But for the meantime, this is just kind of how I work my way up the word count, so you can use that just to kind of help you break it down, because it can be intimidating trying to do everything at once. So maybe you can use it, maybe you'll find some use of it, maybe you completely disagree, that's cool. Either way, I just thought I'd share my system and maybe you'll get some use of it. So I'll do another video where I talk about how I structure a project, and maybe you'll find that useful, maybe not. Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, all the best. I'll speak to you later.